whatever type of energies are there, they are all included in energy and they carry equal weightage, whatever form it may be, because energy can always and every time can be converted from one form to another. The issue is, for the progress of the nation, for the progress of the society, for the progress of the country, you have to have use of lot of energy. Whatever you want to do, if you want to increase your status, if you want to increase your living standards, if you want to industrialize, you will be needing a lot of energy. If you want to run a factory, if you want the steel, you will have to use energy to convert it into the form where it will be usable for the industries and you will be able to develop and progress in the country. So that's a necessity for every country and for every society. They want to grow. That means the requirement of energy and the use of energy will be growing day by day, and unfortunately the use of energy does not go hand by hand with your environment. More use of energy means more pollution to the atmosphere. By using energy, if you burn coal, you will be emitting lot many gases, particularly CO2 and CO. So these gases are not friendly for the human beings. These are rather hazardous. So it's a problem. We need to grow. That means we are required to use higher amounts of energy, but at the same time, higher use of energy is going to pollute your atmosphere, and if the atmosphere gets polluted, the problems like global warming may come up. What will happen? All that conservation and everything you will be able to exercise only when you are there.
We will also emphasize much about how to save the environment with the growing need of energy. I will also emphasize on the renewable energy and what is our capacity and what we can do in the renewable energy. Let's see. First of all, my presentation will take energy cost, Indian energy scenario, overall energy development in India, major energy programs and policies, future plans and the renewal of both national. See how I understand being mechanical engineer energy is. As I know, 1 kilowatt hour, that means just literally understand 1 kilo means 1000, watt means Newton meter per second, hour means 3600 seconds, correct? And it goes to around 36 lakhs Newton meter work or joule. 1 Newton meter is 1 joule. Consider a weightlifter. Can anybody say what is the world record? Beijing Olympics. Maximum weight lifted in the heavyweight. Okay, limit. It is around 278 kg. I consider it is the person will come to break the record, and I consider the man has lifted 300 kg of weight. Convert 300 kg in the Newton, and 1 kg equals to 9.8 Newton. I have considered in the other side approximately 10 Newton, and he has lifted, height may be much more than me, he has lifted total 3 meters. The total work done by the man is 9,000 Newton meter. Am I right? And 36 lakhs Newton meter work cost is 5 rupees. 1 kilowatt hour, 1 unit of electricity. Then this man has the cost of 9,000 Newton meter is, as per the our energy cost is 1.5. That is why I will tell you energy is priceless. You fix any amount, but you cannot regain the, if you have used or wasted energy, you cannot regain it. Just you can. That is why you have a notion in your brain that whether you leave the college, classroom or your home, please put off the light. It is the final form of energy. Don't waste it. Energy is costly. First of all, don't waste it. If you start using efficiently,